You ready?
Go on.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the arteries of the abdominal cavity. And I'm going to start up here with the celiac trunk. The celiac trunk has 3 branches. This one right here is broken, but here's the other piece of it, and it was serving the stomach, so that's the gastric. This long one that you see is the splenic. And then this one right here, this one, is diving deep to get to the liver. So again, gastric, splenic, hepatic. Then this vessel is the superior mesenteric artery. And then the next branches we should see are the suprarenal arteries. This tiny red one that has been severed right there is the suprarenal on that side. And on this side, let's see if I can find it. Well, no, it's not dissected, so we'll just suprarenal on this side. Here's the suprarenal vein for comparison. And then the next vessel off the descending abdominal aorta is the renal artery, right here going to the kidney. And then we should have the next vessels coming off are the gonadal vessels. Now, where are they?
Those were the tiny ones.
Yes, okay, so we have right here this long structure. It was actually going through the inguinal canal. And this is the renal vein, but also wrapped up in it, very tiny, very red, right there, is the gonadal artery. And it was coming off, see, it was coming off right here on the descending abdominal aorta. See the little nub right there where it got cut? So that's where the gonadal artery was coming off, and then together with the vein, it was traveling through the inguinal canal. The right gonadal artery is also severed on this side. The next vessel that comes off the descending abdominal aorta has also been ripped off. This is the inferior mesenteric artery, and it serves the large intestine. Then the next vessels you see in red are the iliolumbar arteries, left and right. And then we get to the iliac arteries. Now, here is the left external iliac and the right external iliac. And then this centerpiece right here is the internal iliac, which further bifurcates into the left and right internal iliac. And then in between those two, let me clean it up. Let me get through all this fecal material that's oozing all over the place. Way back here, in between the internal iliacs, let me see if I can pull it up so you can see it on the video. Excuse the fecal material. But this vessel right here in the middle that you see in red, now you're going to want to back out, Anthony, because there. That's the median sacral artery. And you'll notice the little blue thing that I hooked up along with it, that's the mid-sacral vein along with it. All right, so then once we get the external iliac crossing the inguinal canal, then out here we call it the femoral artery. And then once you see this diving into the knee, we want you to call that the popliteal. And then it continues on as the saphenous artery. Now, if I'm going to do this again with the veins, let's stop.